final moments for this countertop. This is the old countertop in the master bathroom. It is just quite dated, so that is going away soon. And we got this new countertop we're going to be installing soon, and that's the back of it. So we're hoping that we can get it on in one piece, because the first time it arrived it was broken, so this one seems good. So hopefully we can keep it all together. Okay, let's roll it out of here. The sad old countertop is now gone. It's going to go to the Habitat for Humanity restore, and they'll be able to sell it to somebody. Alright, Dave has some fear of there being some low spots on that countertop, so he's using a pretty thick bead of caulk. Let's put some more things right in our way. So there's a great chance of dropping it.
Okay, I'll tell you what, put it on your foot so you can get around it.
Yeah.
To the other side. So
I'm about to pass out from the smell of that caulk.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Okay. Put your end in. I'm just gonna hit my head there. Okay, against the wall. Okay. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Alright, is it all the way against your wall?
Yeah?
Sweet!
Okay, now don't press on it, let it just do its own way.
It's like nothing, man.
It's like we do this every day.
It appears to be in one piece.
It appears to be one piece, and that was way easier than I thought it was going to be.
Crazy!
How about it?
Alright, boom. So, this is Carrara marble. It seems to go pretty nicely in this gray and white bathroom.
I'm really excited about that.
Anywhere close to level. Yay!
Happy, happy, happy.
Alright, here's the progress in the master bath spa shower. So far we've got these 3 body sprays installed, and this is a rainforest shower head. And then yesterday Dave got this a wand and got that installed, and it's got a pretty long cord to it that will make it all the way over to the tub. So like if somebody was washing their kids' hair, it should work out. Well, a bunch of today was spent just putting new doorknobs and locks on all the doors, and we're going with brushed nickel. Before they had gold. So these are all the ones that were replaced today, which is a ton. Okay, so this is how the new doorknobs are going to look with the analytical gray paint and the white. So that looks pretty nice. And when I was doing all those, Dave was putting new electrical outlets all over the place. We're probably a third of the way done with that job, because you gotta have an outlet every 4 feet. So anyway, kitchen's coming together with the new additions. And yeah, these are all this is what Dave was doing today, replacing all those switches and outlets. Big developments in here. We've got the sinks have been installed, and these beautiful faucets on our new countertop. Oh, and we also got the new toilet. Look at it. No leaks. Nice soft close. Okay, but now, kind of the scary stuff. We pulled our tub out, and it's time to drill. We've got to put in the 3 openings for the faucet. And this is pretty much a one-shot deal here. Correct?
Correct. It's probably not any good breathe.
Yay. Nicely done. All right, tomorrow our shower glass is going to arrive, and that will all be enclosed. So now we're scrambling to get the tub, our soaker tub, in place before the shower glass guys get here. And so, what's going on?
We are laying the mud bed for the tub, provides support. It's a fiberglass tub and this provides support for the structure. So you can have several hundred pounds of water in the tub and people and not break anything.
Good. So now we're going to adhere Ledger Quartz Desert Stone. Ta-da!
How beautiful is that?
Our glass installer just finished, and the glass looks great for the master bath, shower, and tub. We're calling this a spa room. Basically, this bathroom was just too small and rectangular for us to fit a full soaking tub and a nice walk-in shower. So we decided just to enclose both of them behind the same panel of glass and leave no walkway. So when you come into it, you enter the room and your tub's in the shower. But it works well for this very tiny space. Now we're going to keep it rolling by hopefully getting all the tile down on this entryway in our foyer. And this tile is Italian porcelain. It was sitting in Italy just 2 weeks ago. It's going to look really great on this foyer. And there's all of our tile. This foyer is, I've never seen one quite like it. It's kind of like a big peace sign. It's odd because it's elevated and goes in both directions. Let's see how your angle cut fits.
Oh, maybe.
After a bit of a struggle, we finally have all this tile laid in the foyer. And now we're going to have a fun grouting party. Turned out nicely. There were a lot of intricate cuts. Dave did a fine job with that. Here's the fairly unsafe way to put up a chandelier.